Hello guys and welcome to my latest episode of JB Photography School, where you're going to be learning how to shoot in the studio. Here with me I have a fantastic model.
And my name is Dasha, and we will show you how to make a wonderful photo shoot. Let's go.
So, first things first. We step in the studio, and in studio we have super advantage because in studio we have so many lights we can use to make superb photos. The lights which we don't have outside. So come inside, I'm going to show you how it's done. So also here you have many spotlights as well. We will not use them at this moment. So as you see, we have like a softbox light. We connect a receiver, plug in there, boom, you can see, you press one button, yeah, and the spotlight goes on, see? So it's that easy. So Dasha can just step there, we're going to show you just the result. She's there, boom, boom. We have awesome result of Dasha with nice, superb lighting. So the point is, as I said before, in studio we can go creative. We can even use natural light. Come here, I'm going to show you. We have filter curtains, but not in all studios we're going to have that. So if we don't have that, still we can use natural light, which is coming from outside. You see, there's outside, here's the studio, and if we take out the lightning, we just go like this, and we use natural light. And with natural light, of course, we can go, it looks nicely as well. So it really depends where and what do you want to use. A natural light or a spotlight. Of course, in studio you're going to use both if you can. Spotlight lights is necessary for supreme detail in the portrait shoots. Also, as we see here, we have two V walls. These walls, the black ones will make shadows when you take a shoot from the front. You sit here, you take with a flash, and what happens, Dasha can come here. See, basically, of course, we're not gonna include the flats on the shot, but what it makes, it's gonna make basically the shadows pop on the cheeks. Yeah, we can also bring the flash. You can bring it so you can experience better. So basically, we have like this. Dasha comes closer. Okay, she stays there. Again, flashlight. Oh, too bright, sorry. Too bright. Okay, basically, as you see, what is going on, we have a little bit shadows on the cheeks. So we have other side for the flats, it's the white one. The white one will bounce the light from the spotlight, it's gonna bounce it to the model. Basically just switch it. Of course, these things are not always necessary to use. You can easily go without them, use Photoshop and go creative with it, but it will help you to save a lot of work in the post-processing. So basically, what happens now, we have again, and you see now, it's not so many shadows, it's more like the light bounces back, so the subject is more lightning. So of course in the studio what is really necessary is a mirror. It's not for making photos. Dasha, come here. It's not like we're gonna make, of course we can make some nice photos if Dasha stands there, you know, and we can make some photo. Now it's not about that, it's all about because if the model stays where I'm standing and I'm taking photo from that side, the model can see how she looks, and it makes more easier for her to pose and understand how she looks. That's right, Dasha?
Yes.
The mirror helps you to feel more confident at the place at the moment. Basically, of course, if we have in studio some extras, some this shiny wall, silver wall, of course we can go super creative. Check this out. We have a propeller. We have this one. Let's take a look. We're gonna press it on. What happens? Abracadabra!
Look at
We
this.
have a super effect on the model. What happens? Take a look. It's basically super creative. We can go even like this. Ooh, what's that? Oh, sorry. Sorry. So we will take off this light. And see, we can go super creative. So basically, in studio, go creative, take nice pictures. Of course, I'm gonna show you in this video pictures which were made today. You guys enjoy and always stay creative in the studio. Always use the studio lights as much as you can. Take advantage of everything that you have, and you're gonna have fantastic shoots. And of course, what is one more last thing? The main thing, Dasha, what's the main thing?
Positive energy.
Yeah, positive energy, but the photographer needs, I will shut it down. The photographer needs to explain the model how to pose, right? You
Yes.
understand? So
You can
basically,
show.
okay, just come here and let's take example. Imagine your client comes without any experience. Even in the first minutes for even professional model, it's gonna be harder to feel at the moment to know how to pose. So basically, you see the difference. Dasha is standing like this because she doesn't know what's happening. See? Take picture. Does it look professional? No.
No, it's not.
So basically, what we do, we be as flexible as we can. What happens, Dasha? We take an arm like this, we take a leg like this, we pull like this. We take confident and sharp look at me, and boom, what happens? We have already a confident portrait shot.
Something like
So basically, just don't stay still. Explain the model to be as flexible as you can. It's really necessary for the models to create these triangles. The triangle will make the shape more interesting and not so boring like this. Like you stay in school photography, you know, when you're a child, or when you're in prison. So that's the biggest tips what I can give you. Guys, enjoy. JB's latest episode is out. Like and subscribe for more. And I see you after. And greetings from the nice model Dasha. This is it, guys. We just finished our latest photo shoot in the studio. We made fantastic photos. We used all the lights. We had such a blast. We had so nice time together.
yes.
Dasha?
The model is so happy about the result. Thank you, Yanis.
Yeah.
It was amazing.
And it's all
Yeah.
because
The
of
main-
his production.
Yeah, the
And
main
it's
thing-
Yannis'
the main
production.
thing- stay productive, take photos, don't be scared, and have a good time with your models. Take care of them, make them smile, make them do what they need to do.
Make the vibe.
Make the vibe. Me and Dasha, thank you for this episode. We are out. Wait for the next episode. Soon we're gonna be talking about more details, how to become